Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a butterfly. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, down from the top of the page, let's start right here. We're going to draw a big oval right in the middle of the page like this. Starting here, let's go this way and curve it down. Take your time. You can always pause the video if you need to catch up. Up like this, and then connect it back at the top. And now let's draw the body. Starting here at the bottom of the oval, we're gonna do a connecting oval down like this and back up like that. Let's draw some body lines inside that shape. One like this, and then one across the middle like that, and one more at the bottom. Okay, let's draw the butterfly's antenna. Up like this, with a circle attached on top. And then one on the other side like this. And another circle. Okay, let's draw the eyes now. Two circles on either side. One on this side, starting right about here. Let's draw a circle. And another circle on this side. All right, that looks great. Okay, now let's draw a circle inside that circle, starting right here, a smaller circle, and an even smaller one here. Do the same on the other side. And then one more small circle there. Now let's color it in black. Take your time. There's no rush. You can always pause and then come back. Okay, let's draw the eyebrows. One up here, and another little line on the other side like that. Now let's draw the smiley face. Right in the middle of the eyes, a smile line. And then another one below it like this that hooks around. And then the tongue inside. And let's color the inside of the mouth black. That looks like a happy butterfly to me. Okay, let's draw the arms now. Three little loopy lines. One loop, two loop, three loop. And let's do the same on the other side, starting here on the side of the head. A little loopy line, a loopy line, and a loopy line. One, two, three. That looks great. Okay, now to draw the big butterfly wings. Starting here on the top of the head, let's draw a big curved line out like this and have it curve down and stop. And then at that point, another curved line that goes out like this. Okay, now we're going to draw the same type of lines but inside that shape. Starting here, another curved line out and around and stop, and then another one all the way back to the hand. That looks great. Now let's do the bottom of the wing here. So starting here at this point, a curved line down and out, and then back up to the body. And let's do the inside line. Starting there, and back around to the body. Okay, let's do the other side now. So same thing, at the top of the head, a big curved line out and around and stop. And now from that point, we're going to continue the wing, curve it down and around, back to the hand. Like that. Okay, starting here, another curved line, the inside one. Here we go, and around, and curve it back around. Good. And then at that point, connecting back to the hand. Now let's do the bottom of this wing. A big curved line, almost like a C shape, all the way down and around and back to the body. And let's do the line inside of that. Back around and to the body. Great. I'm going to put some heart-shaped patterns inside the wing. Starting here, let's draw a heart here. One line on this side and another line on that side. And let's do a heart on this side too. Starting here, up and around and down, and then back, and on the other side. Great. And maybe some dots inside the wings too. One over here. I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle there. Let's do the same on the other side. Wow! Your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm going to make this butterfly really colorful, but you can make it any color you want. And some yellow. I'm going to add some blue for the wings. And some bright pink inside the wings. And red hearts. Always sign your doodle with your name. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.